Most budget MIG welders advertised online are glorified toys that will fail the second you hit thick steel. Pick the wrong model, and you are looking at faulty welds and a wasted investment. Are you tired of sifting through confusing specs to find a welder that actually holds up to real work? You can relax because we have done the heavy lifting to find the best options available. Today, I am going to be going over the best MIG welder that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you are interested in any of them. With that, let us begin. At number 5, we have the YESWELDER FLUX-135. This portable welder represents a perfect entry point for hobbyists who need reliable performance on their various garage projects. The machine provides beginners with an intuitive interface that simplifies complex welding tasks for those learning the trade today. Constructed from industrial-grade steel, the outer chassis offers impressive durability while maintaining a very lightweight profile for transport. It features a compact footprint of roughly 12 inches by 6 inches, making it easy to store on crowded shelves. The design includes an ergonomic handle that allows users to carry the unit between different workshops with minimal physical effort. This welder operates using flux core wire, which eliminates the requirement for bulky gas cylinders during your welding sessions. The adjustable voltage control dials allow operators to fine-tune their heat output based on the specific material being joined. Internal thermal protection systems automatically engage if the machine detects overheating to ensure safety during long periods of intense use. In real-world tests, the arc stability remains remarkably consistent even when working on thicker sheets of carbon steel material. The wire feed system operates smoothly to prevent common jams and sputtering issues that often plague more expensive competing machines. When compared against the Miller Electric Millermatic 141, this model offers a much better value for beginners. The pros include extreme portability, intuitive controls, and reliable arc stability. The cons include limited duty cycle and no gas compatibility. Overall, this versatile machine provides enough power for most home repairs while keeping the setup process fast and simple. At number 4, we have the YESWELDER 135A MIG Welder. This impressive machine is designed specifically for hobbyists and home workshop users who need reliable entry-level welding equipment. Upon unboxing, you will immediately notice the compact and lightweight nature of this highly functional metal joining power source. The sturdy steel housing provides excellent protection for the internal electronics during frequent transport between various different job sites. It features an extremely intuitive interface that allows beginners to adjust settings quickly without feeling overwhelmed by complex controls. This unit offers 135 amps of maximum welding output, which handles most standard household repair tasks. The integrated wire feed system operates smoothly to ensure consistent weld beads across a wide variety of material thicknesses. Utilizing the advanced inverter technology allows the welder to maintain a very stable arc throughout your entire welding process. During our rigorous testing, we found the duty cycle performs reliably when working on thin-gauge steel fabrication projects. It provides a surprisingly clean arc start that reduces the amount of spatter and cleanup required after finishing work. The cooling fan remains quiet while effectively preventing the device from overheating during extended sessions in your busy garage. Compared to the Hobart Handler 140, this model offers better portability while maintaining similar overall arc performance. The pros include excellent portability, intuitive controls, and stable arc performance. The cons include limited duty cycle and short included leads. At number 3, we have the BESTMIG 135A. This impressive welder is clearly designed for hobbyists who need a reliable machine for their home garage workshop projects. The setup process is extremely straightforward, making it a perfect choice for those who are just starting out welding. It features a rugged steel chassis that provides excellent protection for all the vital internal components during heavy usage. The overall footprint is compact at just 14 inches long, which saves valuable space in your crowded work garage area. You will find that the integrated handle makes it very convenient to transport this unit between different job site locations. This powerful machine boasts a maximum output of 135 amperes for handling thicker metal fabrication tasks effectively. The intuitive wire feed control dial allows you to make precise adjustments for consistent welds on your various metal projects. A built-in thermal overload protection system prevents the unit from overheating during those long and intense welding session times today. During testing, the arc stability remained consistent even when welding thinner sheet metal materials at lower heat power setting levels. The weld penetration is deep and clean, demonstrating that this compact machine punches way above its relatively small weight class. Many users will appreciate how quiet the fan operates while keeping the internal circuitry cool throughout the entire working day. It offers superior arc control and easier setup procedures compared to the older model known as the Iron Weld 100. The pros include sturdy steel build, excellent arc stability, and intuitive controls. The cons include short power cable and limited duty cycle. At number 2, we have the SEESII 135 and MIG Welder. This impressive machine is designed specifically for hobbyists and home workshop enthusiasts who demand professional-level welding capabilities at home. Newcomers to the craft will certainly appreciate how approachable the interface feels when setting up their very first welding project. The chassis features a robust steel construction that provides excellent protection for all the vital internal welding control components. Its compact design allows users to easily store the unit under a standard workbench without taking up valuable floor space. The entire system utilizes a high-quality integrated handle that balances the weight perfectly for effortless transportation around your cluttered garage. This versatile model utilizes an advanced synergetic control system that automatically matches wire feed speed with the chosen voltage setting. It supports both flux core and gas-shielded MIG welding processes to accommodate various metal thicknesses for different DIY applications. The internal cooling fan operates at high revolutions per minute to keep the circuitry stable during long and heavy sessions. Users will notice the arc remains incredibly stable even when working on materials that have slightly rusted or dirty surfaces. This machine draws power at 135 amps to ensure deep penetration on thick carbon steel plates daily. It provides much better heat regulation and arc consistency than the entry-level units found in most basic hardware stores. The pros include synergetic controls, robust steel frame, and dual process capability. The cons include short ground cable and no included gas regulator. At number 1, we have the ARCCAPTAIN iControl MIG 105. This impressive machine serves as a versatile 6-in-1 tool built specifically for home workshops and professional repair sites. It delivers high performance for diverse users who need reliable solutions for automotive maintenance, plus heavy-duty farm equipment repair tasks. The sturdy chassis features a dual-voltage 120 and 240-volt design for maximum power flexibility. Dual internal fans provide efficient cooling during long sessions to ensure the internal components remain protected from dangerous thermal overload. You will appreciate the large human-computer interaction screen that displays precise data without forcing you to remove your mask. The integration of smartphone app control allows you to adjust parameters remotely and store your favorite settings for future projects. Advanced synergic technology automatically matches current and wire feed speed to help beginners achieve clean welds with minimal technical effort. Professional operators can customize inductance and burn-back settings to fine-tune the arc characteristics for specific metal types and thickness. The powerful wire feeding motor supports speeds up to 640 inches per minute to maximize your total operational efficiency. Operating modes include gas MID and gasless flux, plus stick welding alongside options for spot and spool gun aluminum processing. When evaluated against the standard Miller diversion machine, this unit offers significantly better connectivity and superior digital customization for modern fabricators. The pros include 6 welding modes, advanced app integration, and helpful synergic technology. Cons include requires extra torch purchases and steep learning curve for advanced professional features. This machine is truly the definitive choice for anyone seeking a sophisticated welding experience that balances power with intelligent modern convenience.